Anong masasabi mo, Miss Diana, sa having having a mentor or just believe in your potential?
Having a mentor for me is a cheat code. Hindi mo na pagdadaanan pa yung napagdaanan nila kasi natuto kang makinig. Sabi nila, experience is the best teacher, but for me, experience of others are the best teachers. Kasi you know how to really learn from that by hearing it. Hindi mo na to dapat gawin. So might as well ask. And if you are believing in your own potential, I must say, you also know what's your weaknesses. So hindi lang puro strength. I know my weaknesses. That's why I know who my mentor is. So kaya alam ko na hindi ko pwedeng i-journey to mag-isa. Kaya rin naman lumaki ang Genesis, hindi dahil kaming magaling, kundi dahil maraming magaling na tumulong sa amin. Kaya kami naman din yung tumutulong ngayon. Kaya yun yung essence ng mentorship. If you don't have a mentor, find one. Ito man ay nakikita mo or naririnig mo lang sa mga gantong podcast, basa ka ng libro. Marami namang informal mentor. Informal yung mga napapanood mo, formal yung namimit mo talaga. So find ways and means to grow because if you're not growing, you are dying.
Tsaka ngayon, sobrang dami na. Sa online, makinig ka lang.
Yeah, Evitalk.
Yan, Evitalk. And makinig ka lang. Mga international, actually, ang gaganda ng mga podcast.
Exactly. And ang dami mong pwedeng makuha. Pero, the goal here is hindi lang makinig kundi gumalaw.
Yes.
Marami kasing may alam pero hindi naman nakita sa result. Kaya I hope na more than we are listening, we are doing as well. Kasi marami kang ang alam, wala naman sa result.
Ayan.